Well, we have finally made it to the Epic Universe Resort area, and today we are staying at Stella Nova, and we are so pumped because this place is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to come and show you guys along, so enjoy the tour. So the Stella Nova and the Terra Luna mimic each other in a lot of ways, and one way is on the outside. They are made up by individual stainless steel mosaic tiles, and these tiles are, I mean, stunning is the only word that I can come up with. I say that word a lot on this channel, but it's incredible. I mean, it is, I'm just in awe of it. It looks directly like out of a sci-fi movie, and standing in it, I'm just in awe. In order to change the colors of these tiles, you have to heat them to a specific temperature, so each one of these tiles had to be individually heated. I think that's incredible. And just the mosaic of it, I mean, this is magnificent. I can't wait to go in here. I haven't walked inside yet. I just stepped out of the vehicle. All right, taking our first steps inside. Wow. This is incredible. Got my key card. We're officially checked in. And this vacation has officially started. So this is going to be an epic series. Pun intended. What? This pool is huge. Wow. Let's go check it out. Now, of course, there's splash pads for the kids, Connect 4, hula hoops. They have some ping pong off in the distance there. But this pool is like truly excellent. Well, one thing is for sure, there will be no seat issues here because there's like 1,000 chairs out here. Like, there's so many chairs. And it's a beautiful afternoon. I mean, it's like 87 degrees right now. Like, this is a perfect evening. Absolutely stunning. So there you can see Terra Luna in the distance. Stella Nova looking absolutely gorgeous. And then, of course, this pool is immaculate. Well, if you're at the pool and you get hungry, of course they have a pool bar. It's the Galaxy Bar, and it is awesome. We've only been here a couple of minutes and I've just been walking around enjoying it. One thing that I've absolutely loved is just like the openness. Like, it just feels very open and inviting. I really dig that. Fuel up at the Cosmos Café Market, your go-to spot for fresh coffee, pastries, and your grab-and-go bites before you head to the parks. Whether it's a quick breakfast or a late-night snack, Cosmos has you covered.
Or if you're coming back from a long park day and you need to unwind a little bit, head over to the Nova Bar, where cosmic-inspired cocktails and laid-back atmosphere make it the perfect place to relax after a day of adventure.
Now, of course, no theme park resort lobby is going to be complete without a gift shop. But I gotta say, this one is really, really cool. Okay, I need you guys to know how much I love him. Look at this. His little eyes light up. He's incredible.
Now, I could go on and on and on about the resort itself. It's wonderful, it's incredible, I'm in awe of it, but I think it's time for the room tour.
All right, guys, we are here at Stella Nova, room 4062. This place is excellent. Epic? Both. Let's go check it out. As soon as you come in, there's a little bit of a hallway, which is cool because it's kind of a nice place to just kind of stop, throw your stuff in, and head out to the parks. But as you come in, full length mirror, big time awesome. This is your closet space, and it's huge. All your extra hangers, your ironing board, your safe, plenty of extra pillows and blankets. Let's head over to the bathroom area, because this is like really a unique style. That's not something that we've seen very often. First of all, beautiful vanity set, absolutely stunning. Something that we love. The devil's in the details, baby. Stella Nova branded soap everywhere, all over the place. And as a space nerd, 10 out of 10. No notes. It's awesome. This wall right here is a like shadow wall. It's all glass. You can see through it. It's just like, it's a tinted glass. Coming into the bathroom, of course, nothing overly special except for the Stella Nova shampoo and conditioner. Beautiful. I love how wide it feels in the shower, even though it is a little bit of a like narrower tub. They have a curved curtain rod, so it makes it feel a little wider in there. Totally appreciate that. That's awesome. So if the tinted wall doesn't give you enough privacy, then that's totally fine, because right on the other side, they have a nice curtain that you can cover up the tinted wall, and you get 100% privacy. So I think that's awesome. Get a little buffer with some natural light. As soon as you come into the living space, directly to your left is the coffee station, the ice box, and the refrigerator. This is an actual mini fridge. This is not a drink cooler like it is in Disney, so that's really cool. Go downstairs, get some drinks, get some food, bring them back up, have some leftovers. That's awesome. Coming into the living space, this is a 2-queen room, so this can sleep 4. Again, on your left, plenty of counter space, plenty of storage. Unpack, get comfortable, because it is going to be an epic vacation. I'm sorry, that might not be the last one. That's definitely not going to be the last one. Beautiful made up beds with gorgeous artwork. Again, I'm a space nerd. I graduated in space studies, and James Webb Space Telescope art, mwah, chef's kiss. Absolutely beautiful. Look, I love all the modern touches and everything, but why we got a mushroom in here? I'm a fun guy and all, but like, I got questions. This couch, one, it's beautiful, okay? It really adds to the aesthetic, adds to the feel, but it is crazy comfortable. Now, for me, after a long park day, I'm probably not gonna spend much time on the couch, because I'm gonna kick my feet up in the bed, but it is extremely comfortable. Of course, you have your little side table. You can move anywhere you need, so an office is always ready to go, because the real gem of this room and this entire side of Stella Nova is the view. This side of Stella Nova, the parking lot side, is the side that you get a view of Epic Universe. Epic Universe is considered a standard view. Don't pay for the pool view. I'm telling you, get the Epic Universe, get the standard view. It's worth it. Look at this. This is stunning. I mean, it's beautiful. You got the Helios Grand video coming very soon. Stay tuned for that. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, just like this little thingy majig is doing right now. Cool, thanks. Appreciate that editing, Kyle.
All in all, Stella Nova was an absolutely incredible resort to stay at, and I loved being able to see Epic Universe from the room. Let me know in the comments what you think, and would you stay here? But with all that being said, don't forget to keep the Wanderlust alive, and we'll see you somewhere.